Mga hidden costs na hindi sinasabi sa'yo sa pagbili ng house and lot. Akala mo kapag approve ka na sa monthly DP, okay na? Wait lang. Kasi maraming hidden costs sa pagbili ng house and lot na hindi napag-uusapan. At kadalasan, dito nauubos ang budget ng buyers. Number 1, reservation fee. Una syempre, ang reservation fee para ma-secure yung property or unit. Kadalasan, non-refundable siya. Number 2, miscellaneous fees. Kasama na dito ang transfer of title, documentary stamp tax, registration fees, at iba pang legal charges. Kadalasan, hundreds of thousands siya, depende sa property value. Number 3, bank financing charges. Kapag bank financing, may appraisal fees, MRI, fire insurance, at kadalasan may move-in fees pa. Number 4, turnover or move-in expense. Pag nakuha mo na yung bahay mo, hindi pa tapos ang gastos mo. Tulad ng renovation, appliances, aircon, furnitures, internet installation, at kung ano-ano pa. Number 5, association dues and maintenance. Kapag nasa subdivision or township like New Valley, usually may monthly association dues para sa security, amenity, at maintenance ng community. Number 6, real property tax. Every year, may amilyar or property tax kang babayaran. Dapat kasama yan sa long-term budget planning mo. Kaya, bago bumili ng house and lot, wag lang monthly payment ang tingnan mo. Dapat, alam mo rin yung total cost of ownership. Mas okay nang prepared kesa naman mabigla ka sa expenses later. Follow for more real estate tips and property insight.